Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home cleaning with Merry Maids, beginner guide step by step clearly. When considering home cleaning services, it's essential to choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Start by evaluating your home's cleaning requirements. Determine the size of your home and the specific areas that need attention. Next, consider how often you will need cleaning services. Decide if you prefer a one-time deep clean or regular maintenance cleaning. Research Merry Maids to understand their service offerings and pricing. Visit their website to find information on available packages and promotional deals. Contact your local Merry Maids office to discuss your cleaning needs in detail. Ask about flexible scheduling options that can accommodate your lifestyle. Inquire about any discounts for first-time customers or ongoing promotions. Once you've gathered all your questions, schedule an in-home assessment. A representative will give you a personalized quote based on your home's specifics. Clarify what is included in the cleaning package to avoid any surprises. Prepare your home before the cleaning team arrives. Pick up personal items and valuables to give the cleaners easy access. Discuss any special instructions or preferred cleaning products with the team. Monitor your first cleaning service to ensure it meets your expectations. Provide feedback to the cleaning team about your experience. Consider establishing a regular cleaning schedule for consistency. Finally, track your spending to ensure you stay within your budget. By following these steps, you can effectively save on home cleaning with Merry Maids while enjoying a clean and inviting space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.